Thank you, MC, for the evening. Alex Abraham. Ua malu maunu le fungatia awa o leo ua atoa li seu. Ua tua au mafua malu le lo tatou tae au le ungalua. Awa o leo ua nofo ia pou o le matuatala, nofo ia pou o la unga. O la altai le paia o malo. Le whawhia ngainga. Malo mai whafo. Le mamalu i a inga manofo ato. Ma ua whatiri ai nei foe o le tautai. Ma ua seu foe le seunga. O leo ua e le mata ngā tila e pei o upu e whaiwa o tapo inga. A lea so ua whaia e le tua. Le nei aso tātou te oli ma fia iai. Ua tātou whailoa i maunga wao, a leo maunga o liu lau mea. Ua tātou whai i le mga whetau so i fua maua. I le lofa o le tapa ausili i le langi. Fo ia tu ia te ia lona lava bi inga. O le a o le ta ea lava ta o tō pa ia sa ma whaingata. Ni o tō mamalu. A wā o oe Samoa o le ia e vivia. O le vao whiriwhiri. O le ao mamala. O ta oto a o se ala o. Tulou. Whaafitai i lo o tō tali wala au. Se wha tala ula atu ina ia tātou a wai whatasi le nei wha moe. Mo le wha manatuina o le fitu lima tausanga talu o na pulea e tangata intia lo la tau malo ma le atunu. Ma e avea iau, masui o le malo intia. Wha pea o na tangata nuu o lo au mau i Samonei e mātou te wha whailoa i atuai. I le ava ma le whaalo al tele, we acknowledge with much appreciation your accepting of our invitation to join us this evening in celebrating 75 years of independence for India. Susu lau sunga i le whawhiangainga Reverend Inu a Mosa Poua, a fio le tāwhatolu o whainga malo Samoa, a fio le palemia o le malo tuto tasi o Samoa, lau fionga fia me Naomi Mataafa o le sao whapito. A fio a o tōua fionga i Mean Star o le kapeneta o le malo Samoa. A fio sui o malo mai fafo ma whala poptonga a le lalalangi. Whawheloa i atu foi i sui o a inga, uma mai intia, whapea wo mai e masani, ma le mamalu o le au wala au ria. Ta alofa lava. Namaste, Suswakatan.
Namaskar. Good evening, Samoa. Warmest greetings to all of you, especially to Honorable Prime Minister Fiame Naomi Mataafa, Honorary Consul General of India, Mr. Meredith, and all invited dignitaries. We are gathered to mark the 75th Independence Day of India. On this day, we celebrate the spirit of freedom and our collective achievements as a nation which is on the rise as the largest democracy and an Atmanirbhar Bharat, a self-reliant economy. I would like to congratulate Honorable Prime Minister on her victory in the general elections of Samoa. The mandate given by the people of Samoa is a testimony of their faith in your inspiring leadership. I further felicitate you on becoming the first female Prime Minister of Samoa. Please accept, Excellency, my best wishes for your continued success and personal well-being. Our both countries enjoy warm and long-standing relationship founded on Commonwealth heritage, shared values, and developmental aspirations. In 2020, we completed 50 years of the establishment of diplomatic relationship between India and Samoa. The fact that India was the second country to establish diplomatic relations with Samoa in June 1970 is a testament to the importance India has attached to this relationship from the very beginning. India looks forward to strengthening its partnership with Samoa in various areas, particularly in the field of developmental and multilateral cooperation. Both our countries can contribute meaningfully to the promotion of growth, prosperity, and stability in the region. India also attaches great importance to the Pacific region and has created a robust platform of engagement with the Pacific Island countries under the framework of the Forum for India-Pacific Islands Cooperation, which has met twice since 2014. Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi hosted India-Pacific Small Island Developing States meeting in New York in September 2020, during which he announced a concessional line of credit of $150 million and $1 million to each Pacific Island country towards implementation of a high-impact development project of its choice. India has been extending support to Samoa to meet its developmental objectives by capacity building through high-tech scholarships and through projects for socio-economic development. Samoan diplomats have been availing of professional courses conducted by Foreign Service Institute in New Delhi. Samoa Knowledge Society Initiative Project was launched in 2019 with a grant of $1 million by India under the aegis of India-UN Development Partnership Fund. The India-Samoa Center for Excellence in Information Technology at National University of Samoa has been operational since November 2019. These are the most difficult and challenging times for the Indo-Pacific region, with the threat of climate change, disasters, and a global pandemic staring us. India, as a partner and true friend, would like to extend a helping hand to Samoa towards its socio-economic development. I am most happy that Mr. Leonidas Apete Meredith has been recently appointed as the Honorary Consul General of India to the independent state of Samoa. Under his leadership, the relationship between the two countries is bound to grow. The opening of an honorary consulate in Apia will go a long way in further strengthening of the ties between the two countries and will help in promoting bilateral exchanges and people-to-people links. With these brief remarks, I would like to congratulate Indian nationals, people of Indian origin, and all friends of India in Samoa on this momentous occasion. I would also like to wish all success to Mr. Meredith in his endeavors in bringing India and Samoa closer. My best wishes to all of you. Thank you. Jai Hind.
To our spiritual leaders this evening, His Excellency Mukjesh Padeshi, the High Commissioner of India to Samoa, Honourable Ministers of Cabinet, members of the Diplomatic Corps, the Honorary Consul Vatuitui and Mrs. Meredith, members of the Indian community, ladies and gentlemen. It is a pleasure for me to join you all this evening to celebrate the commemoration of India's 75th independence anniversary. I offer our best wishes for the continued prosperity of India and the well-being of all its citizens. I thank you also for your congratulatory remarks and support as I begin my journey as Prime Minister to lead the new government of Samoa. Samoa and India established diplomatic relations in 1970, and our two countries share cordial and friendly relations that are bound by our common membership of the Commonwealth, affiliations to the United Nations and the Pacific Islands Forum, with India as a post-forum dialogue partner since 2006. Samoa's ambassador to Japan is our accredited mission to India. We had appointed early this year our Honorary Consul General to India. Our friendship and ties go beyond formal relations. Samoa has been home to the few Indian nationals who came through the Commonwealth to be teachers and then decided to stay and made Samoa their home over the years. These teachers and their families have continued to contribute to the development of our schools and the institutions they serve as senior government officials and successful business people. Another important step this year in our relationship is the appointment of Mr. Vatuitui Meredith as the Honorary Consul General of India to Samoa, signifying the growing cooperation between our two countries. I extend best wishes and congratulations to your appointment, and I am confident that you will assist to further enhance our bilateral relations. Our cooperation already spans a wide cross-section and has the potential to grow further. Sustainable partnerships toward capacity building have been facilitated through India's technical economic cooperation. A Centre of Excellence in Information Technology was set up in our National University in 2018 to provide transformative information technologies through training. Through the UN-India Partnership Fund, the Samoan Knowledge Society Initiative, and the establishment of a digital library at our National University provided a knowledge society platform to transform information into resources that allow any society to take effective action. India's support to health has been through service agreements signed in 2017 with 2 private medical service providers for treatment of patients in India that are not available in Samoa. Equipment to start the operations of the Dialysis Foundation were provided by the Government of India. During the measles epidemic, Samoa received a cash grant of US $250,000 for relief, rehabilitation, and recovery of victims of the epidemic. Samoa has also begun a program for telemedicine with the private medical service providers in India for capacity building. We see potential in our membership of the International Solar Alliance as a means of exploitation of solar energy to reduce dependence on fossil fuels. The Tax Information Exchange Agreement between Samoa and India was signed on the 12th of March 2020 and will enter into force upon ratification. In closing, let me extend our condolences to India for the significant loss of lives as a result of COVID-19 pandemic. These difficult times have shown how resilient we can all be. Once again, congratulations and best wishes to the Indian community in Samoa on the commemoration of India's 75th independence anniversary. Soifua.